I'm going to put the fire alarm in the bed. Ha ha. Sleep! Sleep! You need to sleep, idiot! Don't even think about getting out of that crib! Shut up and sleep! Don't even start crying! Shut the heck up and sleep! And don't listen to a darn heartbeat, as that can kill you! You need to freaking rest for a night! If you don't, we will call DCFS! What's going on here? Dad, Kevin pulled the fire alarm to get our ears blasted! What? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Thank you for telling me that! I'm gonna stop the fire alarm! Kevin, Mike! Get your butt downstairs right now! Kevin! Did you put the fire alarm on the wall? Tell me the truth! It was going to be a harmless prank. I wanted to get the monkey's ears blasted. That's it! You are grounded, 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 grounded! Go back to bed now!